Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve Cbse Ncert textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is question number 6 from exercise 3.2. Uh, Question goes like this. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometric representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. So far we have seen the problems like you'll be given with two equations and they'll ask us whether these two lines are intersecting, parallel or coincident. But now the case is you have to find out the linear equation such that it is intersecting, parallel and coincident. Find out the three linear equations. So let us consider the first case, intersecting case, right? So the given linear equation I am writing here, 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now, take the standard form of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So, if I compare these two, I will get the constants as a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to minus 8. Now, take another linear equation that is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So, we need to find out a2, b2, c2 such that these two lines are intersecting, right? That is the question. Now, the condition for the two lines to be intersecting are a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. Right now, I will write a1 is equal to 2 divided by a2. I don't know that I have to find it out, right? So, not equal to b1 is 3 divided by b2. So, we have to fill that a2 and b2 such that the two lines must satisfy this condition, right? So, this I will write it as now a2 by b2 should not be equal to 2 by 3, right? I am just taking a2 this side and 3 this side, right? So, a2 by b2 should not be equal to 2 by 3. So, take a2 by b2 is not equal to, suppose say that 2k by 3k, right? That is, I am taking it as a2 should not be equal to 2k and b2 should not be equal to 3k. That is, a2 should not be the multiple of 2 and b2 should not be the multiple of 3. Suppose say I will take some a2 is equal to 7. It is not satisfying, right? 2k. Then b2 some I will take it as 8, right? It is not a multiple of 3. 8 is not a multiple of 3 and 7 is not a multiple of 2. So C2 we can take any number. There is no condition for this. So let me take some C2 is equal to some 15. Now write the linear equation of that form. 7x plus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. So this is the linear equation that will intersect with the given line 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now we will consider the second condition, that is parallel lines. So the given line equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. I will compare this with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 such that I will get a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to minus 8. Now let us consider another linear equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We need to find out a2, b2, c2 such that the given line equation and the equation that we are going to find out should be parallel to each other. So the condition for parallel lines, we know it is a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 but should not be equal to c1 by c2. We need to check two conditions here. So let us substitute the values. 2 by a2 is equal to 3 by b2 and should not be equal to c1 by c2, that is minus 8 divided by c2. Now if I consider these two, a2 by c2, a2 by b2 should be equal to 2 by 3. So a2 can be taken as 2k and B2 can be taken as some 3k, right? So first and third condition, if I take A1 by A2 should not be equal to C1 by C2. That is, this can be written as 2 by A2 should not be equal to minus 8 by C2. That is, A2 by C2 should not be equal to minus 1 by 4. That is, C2 here should not be equal to 4k, multiple of 4, right? So let us take some k is equal to 2 here. Then A2 will be 4 and B2 will be 3, but C should not be equal to 8 here, right? So consider some C2 is equal to 7. So these three will satisfy now, right? So write the linear equation here. 4x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now put the values in the equation back and check here. So 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2. If you are taking k is equal to 2, it will be 6, right? So 6y, sorry. So 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6, right? But not is equal to 8 by 7, right? So the given linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0 will be parallel to the line equation 4x plus 6y plus 7 is equal to 0. And the third condition is for coincident lines. The given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. From here I can take a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to minus 8. You have to get the second equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 such that these two lines are coincident. So for the lines to be coincident, the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So let us write it as 2 by a2 is equal to 3 by b2, that is equal to minus 8 by c2. From this first 2 you take, the condition will be a2 by b2 is equal to 2 by 3. And the first and third you take here, a2 by c2 is equal to 2 by minus 8. Now I can write a2 is equal to 2k, b2 is equal to 3k, c2 is equal to minus 8k. Anything, any k value can be anything. You take, suppose say k is equal to 3, then a2 will be 6, b2 will be 9 and c2 is equal to minus 24. Suppose if you are taking k is equal to 2, another set of values you will get. So you can take multiple values here, multiple equations we will get. So the equation here is 6x plus 9y minus 24 is equal to 0. You can cross check whether the answer is correct or not here by substituting in this condition. So 2 by 6, 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 9. Again 1 by 3 is equal to minus 8 by minus 24. So again 1 by 3. So the condition is also satisfied. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.